landed at around 3:30 or something like that, or a little bit earlier than that. But then it took me around 40 minutes on a bus to come to my Airbnb. I'm staying in the Shimen area, which is like the Harajuku of Taipei, and my Airbnb is super cute. I have to show you guys. We're gonna start at the front. My luggage is still there, so ignore that. But that's the door. When you come in, it's so cute. And like, there's a washroom. I didn't even check out the washroom yet, but the washroom is right here. It's super clean, super big. It's just like a luxury compared to Korea and stuff like that. So anyways, right here, I'm just wearing some slippers right now because I am about to wear my shoes indoors because that's gross. So this right here is the bed area. It's so cute. I just love the background. The wallpaper is so pretty. And then this Airbnb is actually like a light theme. I don't know how to describe it. You can probably hear the traffic outside, but anyways, this right here has like bunnies and lights, and look at this right here. Like, yes. Super cute. But yeah, it's really nice. And this bunny right here is so cute. It's like a Miffy bunny right here as well. And there's this giant mirror, which I think is great. Like my outfit, look at that. These shoes are it. So it's 5:20 right now in Taipei, and it is nice-ish outside. So it's like drizzling and it's been raining all day. It wasn't raining when I got here, but you can feel the humidity. It's kind of gross. I'm not used to that humidity. So I just want to cool down first. I'm gonna see if I could figure out the aircon and stuff like that. I think I turned it on, but I don't know if I put on the right setting yet, so I need to figure that out. I want to just relax a little bit first because I did eat on the plane, and then I'll go explore Shimen, and then I really want to go to Ningxia night market because Ningxia is around a 25-minute walk from here, which I think I can do. If not, I'll just take the bus or something. But I also need to get myself a happy card, smile card, or what's it called? I think it's called the smile card, like the transportation card in Taiwan. So yeah, so that's my plan for the rest of the day. So anyways, I'll talk to you guys in a little bit. I'm walking, oh my god, I don't know if you guys can hear me, but I'm walking to Ningxia night market right now, and it is so busy in these streets. Right now I'm in a quiet area, but like I was in Shimen, and Shimen was lit. Like, it was so fun. But anyways, I'm gonna go back there after to get some bubble tea. But I'm gonna go to Ningxia first so I can eat because I'm kind of hungry. I'm literally standing off to the side because there's too many people in there, but I got myself some beef, and I think I just got it in original flavor because I wanted cheese, but then the small portion doesn't come with cheese, so I'm gonna try this. It's so good. I'm too scared to go back in to record again because there's too many people. Okay, so what I got was this mentaiko mozzarella cheese pancake, technically. It's from this store called Qishi Kaobing or something like that. Anyway, so basically it's like mentaiko paste with like creamy paste with like cheese on it, and then I asked to get nori flavor, so I'm gonna try it. How am I gonna film it? I'm gonna film it that. I realized that filming and eating at the same time is really difficult, but anyways, this is really good. It's so weird
being by myself here because like everyone's like with someone else. People think I'm a loser.
Focusing. Focus on my face. Why is it not focusing? So I think the last thing I'm gonna get for the night market is this. So I got ayu jia ningmeng, which is like ayu jelly with lemon juice basically. So it's from the place, I don't even know what it's called. It just says Qinghua Xiadan. I'm just gonna walk around the rest of the night market and just like enjoy like the toys and the games that they have here. So I'm back at the Airbnb and I'm like so tired. I don't know why I'm so tired, but anyways, I did pick up this here. I got I called it a smile card earlier. It's actually called an easy card, yo-yo ka. There we go, yo-yo ka or whatever. Just basically it's like what they use in the subway. So this is what it looks like in the front. Super cute. I don't know which one I was gonna choose, but I saw Sailor Moon one and I was like, okay, I'm gonna get this one. And there's like a really cute like bunny one too, or like I can't remember, cat or bunny one, but I didn't pick that. I just picked this one because it's kind of cute. I forgot to mention before, like when I was out there, it was like super windy, and when I first came here I was like, oh my god, why are people dressed so warmly, like in winter jacket or autumn jackets and like long sleeves and stuff. But then like at nighttime it gets like super chilly, so like I was just like wearing like a windbreaker and it was like cold still. It was like so windy and it was drizzling a little bit of rain too, so it's kind of dumb. I didn't realize it was gonna be like this, so I'm gonna dress better tomorrow. It wasn't like super cold or anything. Like for me, that's actually really nice weather. It's like perfect. It's like autumn, and I love autumn because I love like a little bit of a breeze and stuff like that. But anyways, I will talk to you guys tomorrow.